Problem is, if it goes on this side, it's going to miss. I don't know because it's going back and forth. Right now, whatever's on the left side is just getting mopped. This is going back over it, so that's not too bad. Kind of left that behind. Go over it again. This is on the smart side, so it should go back and get it because it didn't get it the first time. And now again, because that's on the left side, it would just kind of mop that through, and it still did. It just left it behind. I'm not impressed. Can we go over it again? And it still left it. It looked like it wanted to, but it still left it behind. See that? Now we have all of this mess. And that's just dog vomit. All of that. That's dog vomit. Dogs eat grass and then they vomit. That's what that is. So right now it's going over this part. Oh, it went back to it. This as well. It's not getting anything. That's right along the border. It's interesting too, the transition. Threshold.
Returning to dock.
Okay. Saying that the mop is too dirty, likely. But I need to wipe this off.
Pause.
Let's see. It backed into the dog vomit, and which is interesting because you would have thought that it would have known that it was there after having sensed it. So I got to clean that off.
My house has a lot of thresholds, and those have always been a problem with robot vacs. Some were just too high for the vacuum to climb. Some the vacuum could handle, but because it didn't recognize it as a threshold, it didn't know how to vacuum over it. So I had to use no-go zones to limit where it could cross the threshold. That's how I dealt with it. And the thresholds it could handle, it certainly didn't manage elegantly. But the Qrevo Curve is the first robot vac that can independently lift the three wheels to help handle complex homes like mine. So I was excited for it to recognize my thresholds and use this independent suspension to climb over them. When I mapped the house, though, it didn't maneuver as elegantly as I had hoped. But then after saving the map and dividing the rooms, I saw that it had recognized a threshold, and it gave me the option to edit it in the map. So check this out. The next time I ran a cycle, it paused in front of the threshold, it backed up, and then it lifted the wheels and the mop to cross over the threshold. This here is the recognizable single brush design of most robot vacuums, and this is the Qrevo's new duo divide system where the main brush is split in two. So this was pretty typical with my old vacuum. After just one cleaning, it's picked up some strip of something, plus the usual hair tangled around the brush. So I took that debris and ran the new Qrevo curve to see if it would get tangled in the new system. And as you can see, it picked up everything, but the split brushes pulled the debris into the center where it gets swept into the vacuum and not stuck around the brush. I could not believe how well it works. This new dual anti-tangle system also includes a redesigned side brush. I had to constantly remove the old style star-shaped brush to untangle all the hair that it had picked up. But this new flexi arm side brush extends to reach into the corners, and that helps it perform really well. As you can see, the simple two-arm design has not trapped any hair. This dual anti-tangle system is a slam dunk, and honestly, it may be the biggest reason to pull the trigger and upgrade to a new vacuum. The Qrevo dock automatically fills the mop using clean water from the right tank, and it uses AI to decide whether rewashing and remopping are necessary and collects the dirty water in the left tank. It uses hot water and air drying to clean both the mops and the base, and the self-cleaning module uses scrapers to push dirt into the filter, and the whole module is detachable, as you can see, so you can clean the filter occasionally yourself. Pretty cool design.
Hello, I'm reviewing this Qrevo vacuum cleaner. This is a roborock vacuum cleaner. It has voice commands, it has a camera, it senses obstacles, it has 2 cleaning brushes and 2 mop pads, and right now it is self-cleaning those mop pads. You have a canister for water, it self-empties the debris, and this one is very maneuverable. It just gets into areas I didn't imagine it would be able to clean, and it does a great job. It also senses how clean something is and will come back and clean it again if it needs to. I really like it. It comes with all sorts of good information, a quick start guide, detailed instructions. There's an app. It does self-mapping of your home, and it's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly, and it's working great. I hope that this review helps you.
wash them up.